Okay, Con, what do you do at school?
I have lesson and play with my friends.
Okay. Nee, what do you do at school?
I lesson English at school.
I have English lessons at school.
English lesson with my friend at school.
Okay. Con, what's
Yes,
your favorite lesson?
my favorite lesson is English.
Do you like English, Nee? Nee, do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Con, where do you live?
I live in Vietnam.
Okay. Nee, do you
I
have lessons at school? Do you have lessons at school?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Con, do you walk to school?
No, I don't.
Okay. Nee, do you live in a house or in a flat?
I live a house.
I live in a house.
I live in a house.
Con, do you live in a flat?
No, I don't.
Nee, do you live in a house?
Do.
Con, do you live in a house or in a flat?
What?
Do you live in a house or in a flat?
I live in my house.
Where do you have your dinner, Nee?
Is
Where do you have your dinner?
it's a living room.
No, I have my dinner in the living room. This is why we are doing it over and over and over, Con, because you need to answer correctly, okay? Nee,
Yes.
where do you have your dinner?
I have dinner in a living room.
I have my dinner in the living room.
Dinner
Con,
in the
where do you
living
have
room.
your dinner? Con,
Yes.
where do you have your dinner?
I have dinner in the bed.
No, I have my dinner.
I have my dinner right at South Kids.
No, that's not the question, Con. No. Look at the question. Where do you have your dinner? Not what. Where?
I eat my dinner in the kitchen.
Okay. Nee, do you have your dinner in the kitchen?
No, it isn't.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Con, do you have your dinner in the kitchen?
Yes, I do.
Con, what's your favorite room?
My favorite room is my bedroom.
Nee, is your favorite room your bedroom?
My bedroom.
No. Ni, what's your favorite room?
My favorite room is a bedroom.
Okay. Khan, is the kitchen your favorite room?
What?
Is the kitchen your favorite room?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. Ni, is the bedroom your favorite room?
That it is.
Yes, it is. Okay, let's go to the next one. Khan, where do you live?
I live Vietnam.
I live in Vietnam.
I live in Vietnam.
Okay, Ni, do you live in Vietnam?
Yes, it is.
Ni, do you live in Vietnam?
Yes, I am.
No. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Khan, is your house big or small?
My house is big.
Ni, is your house big?
No, it isn't.
Khan, do you live in Paris?
Yes. Yes.
You, you
Yes,
live
I
in
do.
Paris? You live in Paris?
No, I do.
I don't. What do you do in the evenings, Ni?
I do my homework.
I do my homework. Khan, what do you do in the evenings?
I have English lessons.
Okay. Khan, do you have English lessons in the evenings? Khan, do you have English lessons in the evenings? Khan,
Yes.
do you have English lessons in the evenings?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Ni, do you play games in the evenings?
No, it isn't.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Okay. Khan, where do you live?
I live in Vietnam.
Okay. Ni, do you live in Vietnam?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Khan, how old are you?
What?
How old are you?
I just
8 years old. Ni, are you 7 years old?
yes, I
Yes, I am. Khan, is your teacher old or young?
the teacher is old.
Nee, do you live in a house or in a flat?
I live in a house.
In a house. Khan, where do you eat dinner?
Um, I eat dry.
No, you're not listening to the question. Listen. Where do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner in my bed in my dining room.
You told me you're eating it in your kitchen. Now you say dining room.
I eat in the kitchen.
Nee, where do you eat your dinner?
I eat I I eat dinner in the living room.
Okay. Khan, what's your favorite room?
My favorite room is my bedroom.
Your bedroom. Okay. Nee, what do you do at school?
I go to school by car.
No. What do you do at school? What do you do at school?
I have English lesson with
I have
my friend.
lessons.
I have English lesson with my friend at school.
Khan, what games do you play?
I play football.
Okay. Nee, what games do you play?
I play football.
What's your favorite lesson, Khan?
My favorite lesson is English.
English, okay. What's your favorite lesson, Nee? Nee, what's your favorite lesson? Nee?
I have favorite lesson is English.
My favorite lesson is English.
My favorite lesson is English.
Okay. Okay. Right. You did a good job today. We're going to stop here, okay? I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.